To assemble the pump, you get the flange, put it inside the breast shield, put it through here. Make sure the inner part is sealed. You seal the outer part. Then you get the diaphragm, this one, put it on top. Get the cover and seal it. Make sure this one is pointing to the back. And get the bottle. And you twist it. You can get the pump and insert this part of the tube here to the back. The other part is attached to the pump. To use the pump, you long press to turn it on. It starts in stimulation mode. To switch, you press this, expression mode, press this again, turbo mode. This is how you can decrease and increase. To switch from vacuum to speed, press this. Also increase and decrease. For the night light, long press, turn it on. Long press to turn it off. To turn off the pump, long press. Make sure not to wash the tubes or sterilize. The only things that can be washed are this part. If you're not using the pump anymore, you can put the dust cover, and then you can put it on the stand. To disassemble, remove the dust cover, remove the bottle, remove the cap, pull out the diaphragm, and remove the flange.